All right, guys, so this is going to be a completed version of the work that we did today, September 1st, for translations. So for number 9, we're going to go over the common rule. We see that we have 3 coordinate planes in which each is a notation. Notation J is -1, -2. Notation A, -1 and 0. And notation 3, 3, -3. We see that the rule that applies is that for every x value, it's going to be taking 4 units left, which means it's going to be a negative. And for the y-axis, each unit in y is going to be taking 4 units up, which is +4. So if we're writing that rule, we now have for every x value, we're going to take it backwards by 4. And for every y value, it's going to be taken up by 4. So now, if we're trying to figure out the prime notation for J, we then have the following. -1 -4 and -2 +4. Okay? Now, mind you, this is not going to be added together. Your x and y values will not be added together. So when you come up with the prime notation for J, you now have -1 -4 gives you -5. -2 + 4 gives you 2. The prime notation for J is this. We're going to skip down and then come back to it. You'll be able to see the rest of how you do it in the answer guide that follows. So on the flip side of it, you see right here that we have the figure LEB, BLE, excuse me. You go in alphabetical order, BLE, BEL, mixing it up. BEL is the original, the pre-image. The prime image is going to be here, BEL prime. All right, so your job is to write that rule. The most simple way to do it is pick a pre notation and pick a prime notation to do that. So now, for this rule that we see, if we're going judging by L, okay, we see that originally L starts at the origin. L, it's at its origin, so that's pretty much 0, 0. We see that its prime notation, L prime, is at -4, 2. From here, we can see that the rule attached to it is going to be x is going back 4 for every unit, and y is going positive up 2 units. And the same thing will apply for each other notation. We see that if we go 4 units back with B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 2, the same will apply. 1, 2, and the same thing for E. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 4, up 2. Each will go. All right, stay tuned. Look at the examples that I have. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any other help. All right, I hope this helps you guys.